Yo, let's break.
We finally get to finish Stella. Now, I've been waiting on parts, been waiting on my bumper, been waiting on brackets. There's a bunch of stuff that's been on back order. No one's been had any idea when anything was coming in. Stuff's been showing up slowly. Finally got everything. Just in time for Subiefest, which is coming up this weekend. So we got a lot of work to do and not enough time to do it, just like always. So we're gonna jump right into this. I got a bunch of stuff we need to do to Stella. Gotta get my bumper on, oil change, diff change, brakes, rotation, just about everything we could pretty much do before autocross. So we're gonna go get it in. Let's go.
Be talking like this easy or something, you heard me?
They do.
Now I make this look easy, you heard me?
See, sometimes people think they can be you better than you can be you. Every time they tell you, I'm gonna beat you the back up. Took a lot of losses, had to bounce back. She got it, love it when it bounce back. Came back strong, had to bounce back. Applying pressure, watch it bounce back. Pushing, I ball in his face and he think that I'm pushing. Like, what we gon' talk about? Ain't shit to talk about. I pull a calls on these niggas, I call them out. Pushing, yeah. I'm in his face and he think that I'm pushing. Major mistake if you think that I'm pushing.
We made it to Daytona. It is 8 o'clock on the dot. We are headed to the track. We got here late last night at the hotel. Woke up, just double checked everything on Stella. Everything is Gucci. We're about to go get in line for the driver's meeting. And we're having a good day.
Do you think that I could get some chicky chicky? Maybe get a little finger sticky sticky. You my electrical lip on flavor. I got to do you till the next song says ya. And can I get a little zip zip? Looky looky. Maybe just a little looky looky. Hey, what you say? It doesn't matter anyway. You won't do another cause you getting with me. You got the power of the Gucci. I got the fever for the flavor of the Gucci. And then I mention, hey, pay attention. Gonna take that booty to the nudie dimension. I got the green glow under my car. I got the boom boom system you can hit real far. Oh hey, oh pretty pretty shy. Oh hey, oh pretty pretty fly. What do I have to say to get inside, girl? What do I have to say? Can I get a little yum yum, kitty kitty? Just a little something something, itty bitty. Do you wanna get triple X groovy? Give me some of that kind of movie. And then I spin you like a racket, wicky wicky. Let me get your butt naked, licky licky. Here we go, yo, here's the scenario. Gonna strip you down like a car in your barrio. You got the power of the Gucci. I got the fever for the flavor of the Gucci. I'm your loving bedtime player. Call me the super sexy boogeyman slayer. I got the green glow under my car. I got the boom boom system you can hit real far. Oh hey, oh pretty pretty shy. Oh hey, oh pretty pretty fly. What do I have to say to get inside, girl? What do I have to say? I got the fever for the flavor of a Gucci. Yo, hema, mama, Gucci. I got the fever for the flavor of a Gucci. Yo, hema, mama, Gucci.
Why are we after this dude? We don't look like idiots.
Hey, at least you didn't do it in the morning.
Look at that. Where is that equipment?
Got the cameras all set up. We're just waiting for the next heat to start.
What do I have to say?
that is it. We have successfully made another Subiefest. We got a bunch of product. It's windy as shit. It was a beautiful day. Had a bunch of fun. Got to see a bunch of people. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go back to the hotel and probably go plug off and have a good night. See you guys later.